Hi guys, in this video I am going to discuss about print triangle pattern like this format: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So let's do it. Next I am going to discuss what the try and method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Hereafter that coincide. So at here I have taken three integer variable. First is I, next J and K. So add to 65. And here control comes to for loop. So at here I value start from 1 and here check the condition 1 less than equal to 5, condition is true, so that coincide. Here j value start from 1, that check the condition 1 less than equal to 1, j less than equal to y, condition is true, that coincide. Here console dot write. So at here k value that is 665 first time and that convert into the character. So that print a. So ASCII value of 65 is a. And hereafter this is a post increment, so that increase the value of k. So k is now 66. Now hereafter that go up, increase the value of j. So j is 2 now. Check the condition. 2 less than equal to 1. Condition is not true. Control comes to this point. Console class dot write and method. Then cursor bring to the new line. And hereafter that go up and increase the value of I. So I is now 2. Or check the condition. 2 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2. That coincide. J value start from 1, check the condition 1 less than equal to 2, condition is 2, that coincides. So at here console class dot write. So at here that k received this time 66. So 66 convert into char, so that print B. And hereafter that increase the value of k, so k is now 67. And hereafter that co-op increase the value of j, so j is 2 now, check the condition 2 equal to 2, condition is 2, that coincide. So at here console dot write. So k value this time that receive 67. So at here that print C. And hereafter post increment, so that increase the value of k. So k is now 68. And hereafter that increase the value of j. So j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to I value 2. Condition is not true, not coincide. Here console dot write line. Then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that co-op increase the value of I. So I is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2. That coincide. Here j value start from 1 again. And here check the condition 1 less than equal to I value is 3, condition is true, that coincides. So at here console dot write. So k value is now 68. So 68 convert into char, so that print D. And here after that increase the value of k, so k is now 69. And here after that go up, increase the value of j, so j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to I value is 3, condition is 2, that coincides. So at here console dot write. So this time k receives 69. So 69 convert into char, so that print E. And hereafter k increase, so k is now 70. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 equal to 3, condition is 2, that coincide. Here console dot write line. So k receive this time 70. 70 convert into char, so that print F. And hereafter j increase, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to I value is 3, condition is not true, not coincide, console dot write line. Then cursor bring to the new line. After printing the value of f, that increase the value of k, so k is now 71. Hereafter I increase, so I is now or 3 to 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. That coincide j value start from 1 again. And here check the condition 1 less than equal to I value is 4. Check the condition is true. That coincides. So console clause dot write. So this time k receive 71 convert into cat. Then that print g. Hereafter k increase. So k is now 72. And that co increase the value of j. So j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 4. Condition is true. That coincide. Hereafter console clause dot write method. So that print k value. So k value is now 72 convert into cat. So that print h. And hereafter that increase the value of k. So k is now 73. Hereafter j increase. So j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 4. Condition is true. So that coincide here. That time that receive k value 73. So that print I. And hereafter that increase the value of k. So k is now 74. Check the condition and here that curve increase the value of j. So j is now 4. Check the condition 4 equal to 4. Condition is true. That coincide. So at here k receive or 74 converted to cat. So that print j. And hereafter k increase. So k is now 75. And here j increase. So j is now 5. Or check the condition 5 less than equal to 4. Condition is not true. So that not coincide. Here control comes. So at your console class dot write and method, then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that increase the value of I. So I is now 4 to 5. Check the condition 5 is equal to 5. Condition is true. That again coincide here. J value start from 1. Check the condition 1 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. That coincide here. Console class dot write and method, then that print k value. So k value is now 75 or convert into the character. So that print k. And hereafter k increase. So k is now 76. And that increase the value of j. So j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincides. So that print k value. So k value is now 76 convert into the character. So that print L. Hereafter k increase. So k is now 77. Or check the condition here. First that increase the value of j. So j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincide. So at your console class dot write. So that print k value. So k value is now 77 converted to the character. So that print k l m. And hereafter k value is increased. So k is now 78. And hereafter j increase. So j is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincides. So at your console class dot write method. So at your k print. So k value is now 78 converted to the character. So that print n. And hereafter k increase. So k is now 78 to 79. And hereafter j increase. So j is now 5. Check the condition 5 less than equal to 5. Condition is 2 that coincide. That print k value. So that print O. Hereafter k increase. So k is now 80. And that go increase the value of j. So j is now 6. So at a check the condition 6 less than equal to I value 5. Condition is not true. So that coincide your control comes to this point. So at your console class dot write method, then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that co-op increase the value of I. So I is now 6. Check the condition 6 less than equal to 5. Condition is not true. So that not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. So at your console class dot readline method, then cursor, then that terminate the output screen. Hereafter that out from main function. So this is the output we get A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and this is the try and method of this program. So I hope guys you understand. So thanks for watching. See you.